Hello student, welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School Sarsa. Myself Kratika Bhatia, class 5th, subject name is Social Study, unit 1st, chapter name is Map and Globe. Today's topic covered is Earth, Globe and Map. First we start the introduction of Earth. This chapter is divided into two parts and this is the part 1. So let's start. First of all, we start with solar system. You know about our solar system? Yes. How many planets in the solar system? There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets in order from the sun are first is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, 7 Uranus and last one is Neptune. Third one is Earth and the Earth is the third planet from the sun and only astronomers object know the harbor's life. Okay, so let's start the introduction of the Earth. The Earth is only planet in our solar system that support life as it has air and water. Our Earth has land mass and the water bodies. The huge land mass are called continents and the large water bodies are called oceans. Rivers, lakes, gulfs, bays and seas are smaller water bodies. Okay? As we all know that our earth is round like a ball. Some points are there. We can read. First one is we all know that our earth is round like a ball. The extract the geographical terms in oblate. Second is it rotates on its axis and it slightly tilt at 23.5 degree. Third, there is an imaginary lines which pass through the center of the earth is called equator. Okay, imaginary lines called equator. The two ends of the axis are the north pole and south pole. First one is north pole and end part of is south pole. The earth rotates from east to west. Sorry, west to east. Okay, the earth rotates from west to east. It completes one rotation in 24 hours but exit timing is 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. One rotation in 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Okay, shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is a round ball. However, it is not perfectly round. It is slightly flattened and the top and the bottom. Astronauts have seen the earth from outer space. Okay, what is the shape of the earth, NASA? The spherical shape of the earth. Yes, its exit shape is spherical. Because the earth is spare, the surface gets much more inside the sunlight, hence heat at the equator than at the poles, north poles and south poles. Okay, let's read our book. The earth is spherical in shape. Long ago, it was believed that the earth was flat. People believe that if we travel to the edges, we would fall off. However, explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and astronomers like Copernicus proved that the earth was not flat. Photographs from space and satellites images has also proved that earth is spherical in shape. Who is Ferdinand Magellan? Hundreds of the years ago, explorer Ferdinand Magellan sailed westward. After 3 years, his ship returned to the same point. The ship had sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Whose explorer? Ferdinand Magellan. Okay. He was the proof that the earth was round. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, started of his journey to sail around the world and returned in 1522. After circumnavigation, this proved that the world was round. Starting point is year is 1519 and end is 1522. Circumnavigation means sail or travel around. Again I repeat, circumnavigation means sail or travel all around. Okay, so let's start. Second topic is the continents. What is the continents? The huge land mass are called continents. Okay, what is the continents? The huge land mass are called continents. A continent is the one of the several very large land mass, okay, generally identified by conventions rather than any strict criteria. Up to 7 regions are commonly regarded as continents. Okay, a short definition is the huge land mass are called continents. Okay, there are 7 continents. How many continents? 7. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. This map is denoted the continents and some colors are filled up there. First one is light green colors, North America, light yellow color, South America, the purple color is Europe, and light orange color is Africa, dark orange color is Asia, and dark green color is Australia. Okay, then denote the colors of the continents. Okay, how many continents? There are 7. The continents are separated by large water bodies. Asia is the largest continent, okay, and the Australia is the smallest continent. Largest continent's name is Asia and the smallest continent name is Australia. Okay, each continent is divided into many countries. Okay, they denoted the north, south, east and west. Next is ocean. What is the ocean? The large water bodies are called ocean. Okay, and the huge land mass are called continents. Huge land are called continents and the large water bodies are called ocean. Okay, how many oceans? There are 5 oceans. How many oceans? 5. There are 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, okay, Indian Ocean, Antarctic and Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. I repeat again, there are 5 oceans. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is largest ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the deepest ocean also. It separates America from Asia and Australia. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Which one is smallest ocean? Is Arctic Ocean. And the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Okay. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. And second largest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Which separate North and South America from Europe and Africa. Okay. How many oceans? There are 5 oceans. And how many continents? There are 7. Okay, remember that. Next topic is globe. So first we will revise some question. Name the only planet that support life is called Earth. And how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5. Okay. So let's start with globe. A globe is the model of the Earth. It represents, you know about that? Yes, because Earth and globe look like a Earth, but that is not. Okay, a globe is the model of the Earth, but it is not the Earth. It represents the Earth in a simple and accurate way. It shows the shape, size and location of the continents and water bodies are also help us to understand the earth, movements on its axis and around the sun. Okay? A model of the earth is called a globe. It is slightly tilted just like the earth. It is not possible to see all places to detail on a globe. We need to rotate the globe. Okay? We need to rotate the globe to see all parts of the earth. It is also difficult to carry a globe. Okay? Third, the globe has many advantages, but it has certain the disadvantages also. The globe show only one side of the earth and one time, and it cannot be carried easily from one place to another place. The details are not shown clearly because of the shape limitation. Okay? Some points of globes. Globe is model of the earth. It represents the earth. It shows the distribution of water and land on the earth. All blue colors in water and colors part in land. It shows the correct shape of the continents and location of the continents of and oceans. Next is a globe is mounted on the axle which help it to spin. Next, a globe shows the earth as it looks when seen from outer space. First globe was made in 1492 by Martin Bamin. First globe made in 1492 by Martin Bamin. Okay, remember that. Which who made this? Martin Bamin in 1492. Advantages and disadvantages of globe. Okay, first is advantages. Accurate three-dimensional model of the earth. How many? Three-dimensional model of the earth. Shows the distribution of land and water bodies. And disadvantages is difficult to carry to one place to another place. Okay, cannot show small areas in great details like about states, towns and cities. Only a part, one hemisphere of a globe can be seen at a time. आप एक टाइम पे ग्लोब का एक ही पार्ट देख सकते हैं. ओके. Next topic is map. What is the map? A map is derived from the Latin word mapo. Okay, the word map is derived from the Latin word mapo, which means napkin. A map is representation of the earth's surface, okay, or parts of it on flat surface. A map is represent of the earth, but it's also part of the flat surface. Okay. A book of map is called an atlas. Map show continents, countries, cities, neighborhoods, and even marketplaces. Okay, map show continents, countries, cities, neighborhoods, even marketplaces. At times, maps are more useful than globes. However, maps too have their disadvantages. The earth is shaped like a sphere. Hence, the shape of the earth's surface is curved. Surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown accurately on a paper as it has a flat surface. An orange. So, let's start the activity. An orange can be used to understand the earth. Okay. And now let's you see how the surface of the earth is represented on a map. Okay. Mark 2 points on the orange and north pole and south pole. Okay. And peel the orange from the place in between the 2 points in such a manner that the peel is a single piece. Now spread it on a table. You notice that the surface is not flat. It has creases. In addition, the 2 points that were the nearest are now the furthest. Hence, a map cannot be accurate as a globe, but maps show more details, especially when a small area is being mapped. Okay? Again I repeat, a map is represent of the earth surface or part of it on a flat surface. Okay. A book of the map is called atlas. Map show continents, countries, cities, globe. However, map do have their disadvantages. Okay. Here I show the India's map, the political map. Okay. You see there some capitals and state, and this map are called political map of India. Some countries are there: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Jammu and Kashmir, the North Pole, okay, and the Madhya Pradesh in center, Gujarat, Myanmar, Odisha, Maharashtra, Telangana, Rajasthan, Chennai, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, okay. There show the political map. Is called political map. They show the country and state. Some points we remember that a map is drawing of the earth surface or part of it on a flat surface. Next point is to study the maps is called cartography. Okay, जो स्टडी करता है मैप की उसे क्या बोलते हैं? कार्योग्राफिस्ट. अ पर्सन हु ड्रॉ मैप इज नॉन एज द कार्योग्राफर. और जो मैप को ड्रॉ करता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? कार्योग्राफर. मैप आर मोर डिटेल्स एंड दे मैप अस टू स्टडी सिमिलरली एरिया इन अ बेटर वे. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप आर पुट टुगेदर इन एन एटलास. एटलास में बहुत सारे टाइप्स के मैप्स होते हैं. ओके, एन एटलास इन द कलेक्शन ऑफ द मैप. फर्स्ट atlas was published by famous cartographer Abraham Ortnes in 1517. First atlas published by Abraham Ortnes in 1517. Okay. Atlas and wall maps. What is the atlas? A book of map is called an atlas. Means बहुत सारे टाइप्स के मैप्स इस बुक्स में होते हैं. आपको जैसा सरफेस चाहिए, मैप चाहिए, वो इस बुक में आपको मिल जाता है. इसलिए इसे हम कहते हैं एटलास, जिसमें बहुत सारे तरीके के मैप एक ही जगह पे आपको मिल जाते हैं. सेम एज वॉल पेपर मैप्स. देयर आर लार्ज मैप्स विच कैन बी यूज ऑन अ वॉल. दीज आर कॉल्ड वॉल मैप्स. दे आर मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ मैप्स, पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल. ओके, सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ पार्ट 1. Today's chapter is map and globe, and we learn about the earth, continents, oceans, globe and map. Okay, so we will meet again with part 2. See you soon. Take care.